What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market, man. We are glad to have y'all out here. And I want to start off by saying, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit the like and sub button. It greatly helps support the channel. And we have a link to the Discord dropped in the box below. We'd be happy to have you if you feel like joining. We're always in there talking about stocks, cryptos, options, you name it. We're currently setting it up, so make sure to check that out if y'all are new. But guys, what is going on, everybody? Hope everybody had a great week. I'm ready to start the weekend with a live stream and just kick it with y'all and kind of talk to y'all and see how y'all are feeling about the market, man, because the crypto market right now is absolutely freaking wild, dude. Absolutely wild. The entire market dropped by like 30% on Wednesday. And I was led by a big drop in Ethereum, like over 50%. And it's basically creating this panic fire sale that we're all seeing here today. And guys, if you're new to crypto, and you're kind of worried about buying in, dude, now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but right now is the absolute best time that you can hop into crypto. And if you've already been in crypto, I kind of want to talk to everybody, explain what's going on here. And we've been dropping hints in the Discord, letting y'all know what's going on. And this stuff is actually coming true, guys. And it's, when you trade crypto, you have to understand crypto moves in waves, as a lot of things do. And I think what we're seeing now is pretty much the first wave, which we could call the rising wave. And basically, you get Wall Street, you get all these retail investors, they get hyped up, they rush into a space, DogeCoin, Shiba Inu, all these altcoins, and the price just runs to the moon. Every boat in the ocean just gets lifted, man. And, it's a great time. It's a great time when you're all making money and it's all fun and, everybody's having an awesome time. But you get this, you get the second wave. And guys, the second wave is what makes you into a real crypto trader. And this is what we're seeing right now. And in the second wave, it just totally trumps the first wave, because now you see everything is not as it seems. Everything's not running 100%. And you're going to see all these little altcoins. Like, I don't want to call out Shiba Inu, but a lot of the coins that aren't the major coins like ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin, a lot of these BS coins are going to start to disappear. A lot of people are going to lose money. And you have to be careful. And I think the best way to go about buying the dip right now is to go into the currencies that actually have stuff already supported and are using it for a purpose right now. So if you're buying the dips, make sure you're doing your own research, getting in great investments, and making sure you secure it, because there's not a better time to buy right now. I mean, basically, when you have all these BS, I call them BS because that's what they are, altcoins that pop up in the market, like you get these Bitcoin whales and they're sitting back and they're like, man, we don't like all this new stuff that's going on. We're kind of losing, it's getting unpredictable in the market. So these Bitcoin whales can just flush the market. And what happens when they flush it? You get Bitcoin at 29,000. People panic, they get out, try to hop back in. They see it rise back up, they flush it again. And we kind of talked about that in the Discord, not to be surprised by this second flush. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now, guys. And I'm not worried in the least bit, because you know what? I had my fiat prepared. I had money on the side. I was prepared for another dip. And what I do? I bought more. I freaking bought more. Sorry, I had to get a sip of water. But guys, if you're new, this is nothing to be concerned about. And I got this chart a friend sent me back about a week and a half ago. And it kind of tells you the telltale lines of what happened in 2016 for Bitcoin and the current price as we see it today. So on the left side, you have the current price. Right side, you had the price in 2016-18. You get the picture. But if you follow these trends, man, they mirror each other extremely well and extremely tight. I mean, you have a little bit lower here, a little bit higher here, but the overall picture is Bitcoin tends to follow these trends. And you can see this dip right here. Now, we dipped a little bit harder, but you have to keep in mind, we're a little bit lower here, a little bit higher here. For the most part, the chart seems to hold true. So if we're holding here in May, you can expect, if this chart holds true, that we will go on a bull run come later on. And if the chart holds true, you could be looking at 200,000 Bitcoin. I mean, anything's possible right now. If you follow the Bitcoin white paper, it states that you have to add another zero at the end of the year. I mean, so if this holds true, we can expect a pretty good run up come, September, even heading into the end of the year. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this because it is very intriguing. He sent me the one for 13. I dropped it in the Discord. Like I said, if you're not part of the Discord, make sure to go check it out. And we'd love to have you there, guys. Really would. But let me hop back on the charts. Give me 1 second. So right now, DogeCoin trading at 33 cents. Check out what we got rocking in the market. Ethereum 23. I mean, dude, everything's on a fire sale right now. Even when DogeCoin was trading at 74 cents, everybody was like begging for a dip. You got the biggest dip you ever seen. I mean, dude, now is the time that you want to. I'm not a financial advisor, but now is the time you want to load up on all this stuff because you invest in all the major coins that actually have a purpose. They're going to start to run, and you're going to start to see a lot of the altcoins out there start to burn away. People are going to lose their investments, and a lot of people probably get phased away from the market because of that. And that's not how it is all the time. Bitcoin needed a correction, dude. Nothing keeps running and running and running without having to come down to earth at some point in time. So this correction is totally normal, and I'm not concerned about China. I'm not concerned about crypto taxes and all this other BS FUD that they're trying to rack down your brains right now. So the big monster governments and institutional buyers can hop in at a low price and ride it back up. I'm not concerned because I know right now, without a doubt in my mind, that if I invest in crypto at this certain time and price, you could almost put a blindfold on and pick a decent crypto and make 100% right now. I mean, guys, it's just absolutely crazy in the market. And I'm happy for new investors that are still holding through the big Doge run up, big drop, because you're seeing both waves all in one picture. And if you're willing to hold through these drops, it's just going to make you that much of a better trader when this thing starts to trend back up very soon, I hope. But I don't have the chat open. Give me 1 second. Let me take a sip of water because I had to go on my rant for the night. I had to let people know what I was feeling. Just kind of wanted to let y'all know. And I'm a better trader when this thing starts. And I got my phone on. Give me 1 second. Nah, Ernesto, I didn't say 88 was a BS coin. Not at all, dude. 88 is not a BS coin. Let me actually tweet something out, try to get some people in here. Give me 1 second. One second. There's not too much trending on Twitter right now. That's crazy. Alt season. That's kind of trending. Put that in there. I'm gonna just put a bunch of stuff in here. Ethiopia is trending. Interesting. Dude, Shiba is like really trending. They have a lot of people in that, man. I'm not saying Shiba is gonna totally go away, but I want people to know, you have to be careful with your investments right now. Everything's on sale, but I'm not buying the BS altcoins. I'm actually gonna be investing in the Ethereums, the ADAs, even the KuCoins, all the coins that serve purposes right now. That's where I think your major investments will come through, and you'll make pretty freaking decent cash with. So now that I got that out, what's cracking, Ernesto? KC, what's up, man? I see you, Snowman. Great to see you, man. Thomas Harris, what's happening, brother? What is happening? We are watching the greatest dip buy opportunity we're going to see in a minute, man. we're witnessing the greatest buying opportunity you're gonna have for a hot minute. Dogecoin's on sale, brother. You were right, Daniel. Damn, Snowmace. Nah, dude. Nope. I like Matic, dude. Daniel, you're actually turning me on to Matic. I'm seriously looking at it, man. I seriously am, dude. You keep mentioning it, and it keeps growing on me, man. It really does. Ooh, give me 1 second. I know where I messed up, guys. I didn't put the freaking header in the thing. I'm a ding dong, man. I'll tell y'all. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Can't type for shit, man. All right. Put that there. Boom, baby. Let's get some people in here. Yeah, man. One more second because I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna pin the Discord to the top of the chat, man. Because sometimes it hasn't been working with that link. Actually, a lot of times. So I need to see what's going on with that. Get an invite. Copy the link. Let me pin it to the top of the chat, and we will be rocking, man. All right, guys. I got the Discord pinned to the top of the chat. So we are rocking, man. So Daniel says Takashi 69 does not spit no more, but he forgets the header. Oh, I got you, man. Yeah, dude. I was pumped, dude. I wanted to come in here and just start off on a rant because people are freaking out, man. People are seriously like jumping out of crypto like you've never seen, dude. And it's all part of the big institutional plan, the big whales in this situation because they want to flush the market of all the BS paper hands and get the market working back correctly in their eyes. And if you follow that trend, you know that this is the best buying opportunity you're going to see in a minute, dude. And if you buy crypto and you hold it, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I bought Doge. I'm holding long term, but I also bought some to day trade, and I'm about done with that. I'm just being honest with you because right now is the worst time in the world to swing trade it, day trade it. You get burned, man. You get freaking burned. The way to make real long term wealth is to buy this and hold it. And if you're a small investor, look to add $20, $30, $5 a week, even if you can. In the long term, man, that's gonna start to add up, and you're gonna really see great profits in your portfolio, man. I mean, it's just facts, man. Just freaking facts. Thomas Harris, you need to start drinking so we can see some green candles going. You know what, brother? I will take a shot here in a minute, man, because I'm rocking with y'all and I'm happy to be here with y'all. So I will definitely be taking a shot, man. Nesto, better tighten up because I'm looking for some new TikTok content. I got you, brother. How many views is that TikTok video you made of me actually up to now, man? Drop it in the comment. Let me know. Daniel Lopez, what's up, bro? When do you think the market will go back up? Somebody told me till 2024. That's too long, right? Man, honestly, I think you're gonna see the correction come this summer, man. And I'll still be here rocking, so we'll find out definitely. But I do think it's coming soon. If you're part of Discord, you saw we kind of talked about, preparing your fiat, getting it ready for potential another dip, and we're seeing one right now. Now, I'm not sitting here saying this is the dead bottom. I mean, this thing could dip some more. It just can. I want to be real with everybody, because if you know something that might happen, and when it does happen, you're not immediately rushing to try to hit the sell button. Because think about it, dude. If you didn't sell at 74 cents, why would you sell at 33 cents? That just doesn't make sense. You just need to hold this thing, have conviction. You see the tweets from Elon. Don't panic. Now is not the time to panic. Now, in my opinion, what I'm doing is the time to load up on all the coins that actually have a purpose. And I'm not buying Shiba Inu. I'm not. And if you're into it, I wish you the best, man. I hope that thing freaking rocks and goes to the moon, to Pluto, wherever you want to call it. I hope it goes there, man. And I hope you make a lot of money. But I just don't see it right now. I see the major coins being the best bounce back for your buck. I really do. Close to 500 views. That's what's up, man. That is what's up. Y'all let me know if that music's too loud too. Sometimes I just put it on and I got the volume pretty low. So I just wanted to make sure it wasn't too loud for y'all. Y'all drop it in the comment, let me know. But what's really tough right now is technical analysis, because you can read the charts, but dude, it's all based on what the beast, the Bitcoin, is actually going to do, man. And what these whales that actually hold Bitcoin are going to do. Because they're flushing, man. They're trying to get people out of the market and get the market back predictable for them. Because when they start seeing the crypto market unpredictable, that's when they hit the pause button. They say, time out. We're going to get all these people out of here, because we got people rushing into crypto like never before. And they don't know what they're doing. And you're seeing all this crazy stuff like Elon's sperm coin and all this other altcoins popping up, dude. And it's freaking crazy right now, man. The market is absolutely crazy. You got China FUD, you got US tax FUD. I mean, the FUD is real, but if you really sit back and you think for a second, like, wait a minute, if I'm China, I could realistically just put out a hit piece on Bitcoin, drop the price, and buy a lot lower and ride it all the way back up and make millions, possibly billions of freaking dollars, man. So when I see dips like this, I get hungry, man. You know, get some chips for them dips, man. Okay, I didn't even have it on. Cool, man. Yeah, I think I shut it off for that rant, because in the beginning, because I really wanted to get that message out. If you're a new trader, people are freaking out about all this, dude. There's nothing to freak out about. Nothing to freak out at all. Ernesto thinks all new investors after SNL probably ran away. Possibly, man. I mean, you got stock guys hopping into crypto for the first time. They possibly took profits and ran away and hopped back in the stock market. I'm sure there's people out there that did it. But look, if it was just DogeCoin making these huge drops, huge fucking, I just cursed, huge freaking pullbacks, then I'd be concerned. If it was one single coin doing this that everybody was heavily invested in, that's a point for concern. But the whole market is being drugged down right now to flush all these new retail investors that have no idea what they're hopping into. They have no freaking clue what crypto world is all about. They just know Dogecoin ran 500%. So, hey, I want a piece of that pie. I'm going to hop in. I'm going to put all this money. We done seen it on the live streams. People, 47 cents when it ran up the first time. I didn't put my whole life savings in. Well, dude, first of all, it's not a good investment. Don't ever put more than what you can afford to lose, first of all. But I told everybody, average down and hold this thing, and it'll come back to you. And it did, 74 cents. I'm still saying the same freaking thing, and I'll still be saying this thing until I'm blue in the face. Crypto is coming back. You're just witnessing a huge fire sale right now, and it's the best buying opportunity that you're going to see in a minute, man. Because I have a feeling crypto is going to run hard this summer and into the fall. I really do. Bitcoin is going extinct. Nah, man. It's just having a pullback. Let grow labs. What's happening, dude? What is up? If you're new to the channel, man, hit the sub button for me. And Snowman saying BitConnect. Yeah, man, I'm personally buying these dips, man, because I have true conviction. Like Ethereum, dude, I got freaking lucky, dude. I caught it at 1940 when it had this big dip on Wednesday, and I got lucky, dude. And I've been knocking Robinhood for a while now, and Robinhood is pretty much hit or miss because Robinhood was the only app that you could actually buy on, dude. It was freaking insane, man. Let me check something real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, I had something funky going on with my audio. I think I got it corrected. I think so. Do your research. Don't get wrecked. BitConnect burned lots of good people. Dude, it did, man. And a lot of these altcoins are going to continue to burn new investors, man. And I feel for him, dude. I really do. I saw this one dude, man. He lost a lot of money on Shiba, man. A ton of money. And that goes back to these waves that I was talking about in the beginning of the video was you get these hypes, dude, and you feel like you're never coming back down to earth. And then all the BS coins popping up. And you see these whales sitting back like, yeah, we're about to flush all this shit, get rid of all these new investors, and get back to business as usual. And that's what they're trying to do here, man. That's what they're freaking trying to do, and it's working, man. A lot of new investors are hopping out because they didn't saw their portfolio ripped to shreds, man. 50%, 60% loss, man. And if you weren't in it from the beginning, you're sitting there wondering, like, hey, did I make a good investment here? But now's the time to buy. You have the greatest opportunity for a fire sale right now, guys. You're right, Snowman, dude. Scams do run freaking wild in crypto, man. And it's really tough to judge what's a scam, what's not a scam. Um, y'all guys been following me. Look, I bought some Safe Moon. You already know. I didn't put a lot. I put $120 in it. Got 15, 20 million coins. And I don't freaking care what it does. Because if it's hit or miss, great. If I make some money, great. If not, dude, it's gone, dude. I'm not even worried about it. Least bit. I was watching a video of a dude that lost his 30K life savings on BitConnect and was asking for Cash App donations. Yeah, that's probably not the best way to go about it, but I'm sure you got some people with some sympathy for him. But dude, the money's not gonna be with the BS coins right now. The money's gonna be in the name brand coins. ADA, Cardano. I'm even bullish. I'm super bullish on VeChain, man. KuCoin. I mean, all the coins that actually serve purposes, man. We all know Ethereum has the big change coming up this summer. They're gonna start burning coins. They're possibly gonna burn more coins than what are created every year, which is gonna be huge. It's all basic supply and demand when it comes to crypto. And what happens when you have, more coins being burned than what's making? The price tends to shoot up. And I don't know which other way to shake it, man. They're gonna lower the gas fees. They have a lot of good stuff coming up for ADA, Ethereum, a lot of these big major coins that it's gonna cause them to run, man. And if you're sitting back and let's pull up Ethereum. You get in Ethereum at freaking 1940. That's the 5 minute. Let's pull up the 4 hour. I got lucky, guys. I got freaking lucky, dude. 1940 I got in. And I'm holding that thing long term, dude. Long freaking term. And I have a good feeling, one day we'll see 20,000 Ethereum. And that's what I'm holding for, man. But we might not be out of the mud yet, guys. That's what I want you to understand. If you're new to investing, this might not be finished yet. We might see another pretty good dip this weekend, but don't treat it as a freak out panic. Don't watch your app, because that is probably the worst freaking thing you can do in this world right now, is watch your investment just crumble right now. What you need to think about is, how can I add to my position to average down and have that many more coins when this thing starts to rip this summer? You're going to be sitting so freaking pretty. You're going to be glad you're holding the bags that you're holding today when this thing starts to get through the correction and start moving its way back up, because it really needed the correction. Like I said earlier, nothing continues to run. Everything comes back to earth eventually. And new investors don't understand that. They just understand that Doge ran 500%, and where can I get my piece of that pie at? And if they don't get it, that immediate gratification, they're gone, man. And most of them won't come back. And that's what these whales count on. They shake everybody up, shake the market up, sell high, buy low, and they ride it all the way back up, man. It's just the way it is. And the sooner you understand it, the better off you're going to be when you're trading in crypto. The best thing to do is to hold long term. Now, I'm not saying you can't make money swing trading, day trading. Right now, I wouldn't risk it. Like, this is just, you get completely wrecked right now. But the long-term picture I'm really starting to understand is, you have to hold crypto with the mindset of, I'm going to hold on to this thing for years and years, and I'm not going to touch it, and I'm going to create it. I'm going to treat it as a long-term investment that's going to pay off beautifully, man. Absolutely freaking beautiful. So I went on another rant. Let me get back to the chat. Let me get a sip of water real quick. If I'm ranting on too much, just tell me to shut up in the chat. It's totally fine. All right, let's see where I was at. Is it good to invest into Doge right now? Dude, it is an absolute great time to invest in Doge. But like I said, if you're trying to short term this thing, I wouldn't go in with a short term mentality, man. You have to go in with the long term mindset. I'm gonna hold this thing and see it through to $1 and past $1, man. Because when Bitcoin figures out what the hell it's doing and gets back right on track, dude, we're going right back to where we were 3 weeks ago, man. So, man, I see you're new to the channel. If you could hit the sub and like button for me, man, it greatly helps support the channel, and we'd love to have you. And once again, I got a link to the Discord pinned to the top of the chat. It is 100% free, guys, and we'd love to have you there. And our coin gonna go up. I don't understand what you're saying, man. Abhay. And our coin going up, or is it the start of the bear market? I don't think so, man. Bitcoin's just having a correction. I don't think it's the start of the bear market at all. I think it's, the two waves that we talked about early in the video, and they're just trying to flush the market right now, get rid of all the BS, because once the market becomes unpredictable to the whales, they look to flush and get everybody out and get back to business. Ernesto, did you buy BitConnect? Ernesto, brother, I promise you, man, you have nothing to worry about, dude. You have nothing to worry about, bro. Exactly, dude. When everybody's hopping out of this thing, like I read article after article after article, like institutions are buying Bitcoin like never before at 30,000, 35,000, dude. Like we saw Bitcoin touch 29,000, right? What did it do like 4 hours later? It immediately rocketed back up to 38. I mean, immediately. That's just freaking insane. That just goes to show you how much buying pressure is actually sitting at 30,000 on Bitcoin. So could this thing dip lower? Of course it can, man. If the whales that hold Bitcoin want to flush Bitcoin, you'll see Bitcoin in single thousands, nine, eight, $7,000 Bitcoin. But it's gonna be bought up. I don't think that time that you'll see that would probably be a 30-minute freaking window, man. They would just buy this thing up and it would just rock immediately back up, man. 6 months to a year from now, we are all going to be sitting good. Kid, you're right, dude. You are 100% right. And you're going to be looking back on these huge dips that you're seeing, dude. And you're going to be asking yourself, man, why didn't I buy more? Why didn't I at least listen to what people were saying back then? Because at 74 cents, you were begging for a dip. Now you got a massive dip sitting right here in front of you. Are you going to take advantage of it, or are you just going to let it ride? If you let it ride, it's fine. If you don't have the money to capitalize, never put yourself in a hurt position to try to add to crypto. Just buy and hold, man. That is the best thing you can do right now as an investor, and it will pan out for you. I'm going to throw Harvest into crypto. Yeah, what's Harvest, man? You might have lost me a little bit right there, dude. Let me know what you're rapping about, man. Oh no, I didn't buy BitConnect. I just like that video that dude Carlos put out. Drop it in the Discord, man. I'll definitely check it out. App, hey, dude, if should I wait for more of a dip this weekend or invest right away? That is the biggest question that I think you're gonna find that you have to answer yourself, man. What would really be the difference between 33 cent Doge and 28 cent Doge for the long haul, man? I mean, you could sit here and wait, and we could see another dip. We could see Bitcoin back in 20,000. That's completely not off the table right now. But me personally, 33 cents is a steal, man. And I will be looking to add on to all my positions. And you treat it like this, man. If you hold more than just Doge, say you hold VChain, it was sitting at 12 cents, somewhere in that area. If you hold VChain, look at which one had the biggest dip that day. If you are truly convinced in your investment strategy for that token, whichever that may be, um, add to that coin that week, and then next week add to the next coin, and over time, whatever coin's lowest that week, add on to that one, man. But there's still massive plays to see out there. You got OMG, dude, ran 50% the other day. It's just you could almost put a blindfold on right now, pick a crypto, and you almost guaranteed to make 100% on it. Not everyone. I'm talking, a crypto with actual backing and purpose. And you will be sitting beautiful, my friend, because Bitcoin is not done in any sense. And just these mind games that these institutional and whales are pulling right now, it's just so they can sell high, make their money, reload when it gets to 29,000 and ride it back up. And in the meantime, they're shaking paper hands out, man. That is what is going on, and that's what you're witnessing right now. So if you're new to trading and you just think, hey, the whole market just took a dump, man, screw crypto, I'm done with it. That's not the mindset you need to have. The mindset you need to have is follow the institutional buyers because they're buying right now. You can bet your bottom line that these guys are loading up on every crypto across the board because they're preparing for a nice bull run. And I promise you that. Whiskey, what's happening, man? Good to see you in the chat, my brother. Great to see you, man. I hope you're having a great night at work, dude. I really do. I really freaking do. Really helpful. Thanks for your views, dude. Great, man. That's what I started the channel for. I wanted to help people. And that conviction will never end for me. Like, I don't care if I get 1,000 views or 10 views. If I'm rocking with the people that I value in this community, I'm totally fine, man. I'm rocking, I'm chilling, I'm buying dips, I'm sitting back sipping. I got a monster. I got some shots right here. I'll probably take a shot with y'all a little bit because Ty wants me to take one so we can start getting some green candles. Not saying it's going to happen, but you know, anything's worth a shot right now. If you're looking for close term support for Doge, I'd say somewhere around 33.27, man, in this area. But don't be surprised if it drops more, man. Like I said earlier, technical analysis is kind of, while you can look at the charts, definitely always look at charts, man. But in the reality of it, the whales are kind of controlling the flow of the charts right now, if you get what I'm saying. So while I can sit here and dissect charts, I'm kind of crypto moves off of emotion, man. Strictly human emotion, supply and demand. So how human emotion rolls into the factor of the price kind of controls the way of the charts right now, if you get what I'm saying. So I don't think we're done bleeding. I really don't. I don't think we'll bleed a whole lot more. But let me see the 1 hour chart. So you can see we're still kind of declining, man. We're in a descending level of support and resistance at the moment. So until we start to get that break, man, where we're setting higher highs and higher lows, that's going to signal that we're starting to break out of this trend. And we saw that the other night in the live stream, but it didn't hold true, man, because they're flushing this thing again. And that's what I'm saying by human emotion controls crypto. And the charts are the charts, yes. But when you look at the bigger scheme of things, like this is flushing going on of the market. And it's strictly based off of human emotion, and the charts will follow suit, man. I gotta see what the hell this is. What is this? It's all good, Snowman. I know you calm over there, dude. You don't know where your sell button is, brother. And shout out to my boy Whiskey Crypto, man. They've been helping me with the Discord. We're gonna get this thing set up right and get everything rocking tight, man. Stoner says green candles if you find Luke. I haven't seen Luke since his wife popped in here looking for him that night. So if you find Luke, tell him I'm looking for him because honestly, I want to know what the hell that was about. I really do. I want to know what he was doing he wasn't supposed to be doing. Pull up the little. Now we'll go 1 minute. Get some real microscopic price action ripping right here. And just in the short term, man, I mean, look at that 14 moving average. It's dipping away from that 50, and that's what we want to get back over currently right now. So we'll probably bounce off this 200 day if we do get a little run. And once we start to break that, we'll move back into some bullish territory. But we're still trending in that bearish territory at this moment. So if you're like me, you're not concerned, man. It is a great buying opportunity. Great, awesome. Catch up with the chat. I'm in for a shot. Never turn that down. What's up, Andy Kimmel? Man, did you ever hop into Discord, man? Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, Whiskey and Snowman saying diamond hands, dude. That is the best thing you can do right now. Why sell for 33 cents when you could have sold for 74? And why sell for 74 when you can sell for $1.50? Just hold true to your investment. Hold true to your investment. You're right, Ernesto. Where is Luke, man? We need some more 5K buys. Definitely. His wife probably threw him out the house, though, in all honesty. I didn't see Luke, man. I haven't seen that dude since his wife came in here, man. And that is the waste, no, man. I have never seen the sell button, man. I don't even know what the sell button is. And that is a true spoken words from a true long-term crypto bull, guys. And shout out to crypto, man. I'm a big stock guy. I've traded stocks for 10 years, man. Off and on, but I've been reading charts, dissecting charts, doing that for a long time. And crypto really helped enlighten me to where what we're seeing today, because as a stock trader, you lose 50% of your play, man. You need to look to get out, because either you got bad news, you got FUD coming out, and you're losing your ass. I mean, straight up. But look at crypto, man. It's not just Doge. If it was just Doge, I'd be freaking out. I would have probably hopped out at this point. Not gonna lie to you. But Ethereum, Bitcoin, I mean, all the whole crypto market is dumping at the same time. And that's not normal. That is not normal. They all follow Bitcoin, and the whales want the paper hands out, man. And that's what it boils down to. That's what it freaking boils down to. Awesome, Andy, man. Appreciate that, brother. It may sound a little weird, but what software do you use for market analysis and charts? I currently use Webull. That's the screen you see in front of you right now. And man, it's hands down. It doesn't have all the cryptos on it currently, but they're adding them in. But as far as looking at charts, like if you trade stocks or whatnot, Webull is hands down one of the best out there, man. So I have a link in the box below. If you want to sign up, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100, and I also get 2 free stocks. So it's a win-win for both of us, man. Yes, Daniel, it is Webull. OPP Trading View. I think Matt is using Webull. Yes, I sure am. KC says I'm back, dude. That's what's up, man. Good to see you, KC. And Stoner's saying barbecue some whales. We're going to get some stuff cooking coming the next month or two, guys. I mean, I'll say it till I'm blue in the face. It's the best chance to buy, man. It is the best chance to buy. And if you want a dip at 74 cents, you're going to be begging for this dip when this thing starts to rip again. Remember, just be careful. Just be freaking careful. Let's go on a whim and see if we have any tweets. I don't think we have any tweets, but from the man, the myth, the legend. But let's see what's rocking on Twitter real quick. Congrats, Jim Mc. Whoa, what's going on here? More than 44.5 on reservation. Listen. Ooh, check out Ford, guys. 13 hours ago. Let's check that out. Pull that up. I gotta see what Ford's doing on the stocks. There was also some talks about Ford buying some patents from Microvision. That is not what I wanted. Let me put it up here. Dude. Ford Motor Company. Having a nice growing trend. So you see this bounce, dude? You can almost bet that institutions know about this crap before it even pops out, man. That's not normal. This looks like it got heavily shorted right here, all the way down, creating a great buying opportunity for everybody who knew that these electric trucks were about to roll out on the market. And then you get slow, steady growth up, man. And I could if I had to guess, let's pull up the 4-hour chart. Let's make sure it's not all funky. But I would have to guess in the near future, probably in quarter 3, quarter 4, you'll start to see these decent pops come into Ford if those balance sheets and their earnings start to look really good off these electric vehicles. So I'm gonna keep my eye on Ford because there was talks about them possibly buying the patents from Microvision, and Microvision had pretty nice run up, man, all the way up to $31. So this is definitely a stock. I was looking to get in around $12. I don't know if you'll see that again. I really don't. Anything's possible, but if it does look to dip toward the $12 range, I would definitely be loading up on this, and is still definitely a short squeeze candidate with all the other meme stocks. Wall Street Bets adopted it and was part of that run up to $31. 31 freaking dollars. Nesto says that truck is whack. You must be a Chevy guy, Nesto. That's totally fine, dude. I personally like Chevy, man, but I like money. So if there's money to be made in Ford, you can bet your butt, dude, I'm gonna be in it. I will be watching it. I wonder what's Ford going to do about the chip shortage. I was having this discussion today with a buddy from work, man, and I don't know. I don't know. I hear they have parking lots full of trucks that are just waiting on chips. So I'm gonna do some research, Casey. I will, dude, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of where they're gonna be getting these chips, man, because I want to look to invest in that. I really do, because they're gonna have to do something about that. They can't just have all them, $60,000-$80,000 trucks, have thousands of them just sitting around doing nothing, waiting on chips. So you can pretty much bet your butt that they're gonna start mass producing chips a lot more coming up here shortly, man. Dude, I can't tell you when the bear market is gonna start, man, but it's coming. I mean, dude, nothing continues to run and run and run. We're gonna come across a bear market one day, and I'll still buy and hold, man. I still will. I don't think we're here, not in the least bit, dude. Bitcoin is just having a correction, and I think we're gonna have a good run up through the rest of the year, man. So that's what I think about that. And I see we have the Chevy fans in the group, which is totally cool, man. June 2nd, AMC. You're right, brother. And I called it pretty freaking close. I'm not gonna lie, man. I called 11.99 because they had a bunch of call options at 12 bucks expiring in the money, and I thought they were gonna fight us for it. But dude, we had no SSR today, and they completely wrecked this thing, dude. All the way down from 15 bucks from the other day. But I'm not concerned, man. I'm not freaking concerned because a lot of this had to do. Let me pull this up. Wanda Corps, and they finally got rid of pretty much all the major shares that they could get rid of to keep affecting the price, because they did it last time AMC ran up to 14, almost 15 bucks. They sold millions of shares and really affected the stock price. Actually drove it down all the way back to $8.50, I believe. So fast forward to this past week, we run up to 15 bucks and they immediately start selling. Well, now they done sold all their holdings almost. I think they still have a little bit, but nothing significant to actually drive the price back down. And on top of shorting, and on top of Wanda selling all of their majority of their freaking shares, the price only dropped $2-3, man. Not a whole $7 last time. So I think AMC is still sitting in a great position, dude, moving forward. And I think we'll have a nice growth next week. I really do, man, because now Wanda's out of the equation. AMC sold their 43 million shares, absolutely got eaten up by retail investors. And it's almost like, dude, nothing's in the way for AMC now. You could possibly look at retail investors holding almost all AMC, man. It is freaking crazy, dude. It is crazy. I don't think there's a stock on the market that where the retail investors own as much of a stock as they have with AMC right now, dude. It is freaking insane. But What's really interesting, and you can kind of coincide it with crypto, is Wanda is a big a big company in China, and you can see China like spreading the foot about Bitcoin and what they want to do is take all of their institutional buyers and they want the money to stay in China instead of coming to the American stock market, the stocks, even Bitcoin. They want to come out with their own digital yuan and have institutional buyers in China buy into that because they want to overtake the United States. That's their goal, man. They want to be the biggest economy on the planet, and that's what they're trying to do. And you see it with Wanda. They have pressure. Wanda had pressure to pull out of AMC. It wasn't just they wanted to. I believe that the government is actually pressuring all the institutional buyers in China to back away from the American market, to back away from American companies because they want the money to stay in house. And rightfully so. You know, they want to grow their economy. And I could damn well see plays like Neo in the future, Tesla. I mean, all those stocks are going to run eventually. And those are still great buys for me. But to say this is a prime example of what China's doing, Wanda pulling out of AMC almost 100%. I mean, they want the money to stay in China, and that's what they're doing, guys. That's what they're freaking doing. Let me hop back in Doge real quick. Put that down. Put this up. I don't like this. I don't freaking like this. All the FUD about Elon, like they're blaming this dude for crashing the entire market, dude. That dude is doing more for the market than you could ever imagine, and you will come to find that out in the next couple of years. What this guy is doing is just changing the market, and Bitcoin is correcting itself right now, guys. Him coming out saying Tesla is not accepting Doge didn't cause that major crash. Not at all, dude. You got these smart whales and you got these smart governments that come out with the FUD after FUD after FUD, and they drop this price down because they see it as an opportunity to scare people out their money, and they'll take every advantage as possible to get people out their money. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you through these dips and make you, if I can make one person feel a little bit better about holding their investment through this and seeing it through, you'll be happy you held these bags today. That's what I got to say about that. And I see we're comparing trucks in the chat. That is what's up, man. That is what's up. Ernesto says you were doing a live stream a month ago, and we was at 33, 34 Doge. Makes you think, doesn't it, man? Makes you freaking think, man. Yeah, dude, you'll definitely find that bear market one day. I promise you. Or should I say the bear market will find you, man? It generally comes every 4 years, and I guess history kind of repeats itself, dude. Uh, if you join the Discord, I dropped this out. I'll go over it again in case you missed it. But this is Bitcoin back in 2016 to 18. And the blue line represents where the price was then. The white line represents where it's at now. And you can see these prices very mirror each other, man. A little lower here, a little higher here. But we also dropped a little bit lower than what it was showing when this chart was drawn, which was probably a week or two ago. You know, we dropped to 29, but fairly close, man. Fairly freaking close. So if we can see the same steady growth, man, I mean, you could be looking at 200,000 Bitcoin if it follows this chart, man. And I also put the 2013 Bitcoin price in there, and it still followed it to a T, man. So if we continue to see this same pattern after pattern, I mean, dude, you could be looking at some potential massive growth come the end of this year, man. So I'm gonna remain bullish. That's my game, bro. I'm a bullish investor, and when I do see signs of a bear market, I'm just gonna buy and hold more, man. That is my motto, and that's what I'm gonna be sticking to, man. There's a ghost. 33 cents when I met you guys. How long ago was that? a month ago. What's up, man? Appreciate you rocking with me, Ghost. You already know, brother. You already know, man. And I better plug in my computer. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 freaking second. All right. Damn, Ghost, it's like that, man. You don't have any predictions right now? What I think was crazy though is how we called it in the Discord the night before Bitcoin actually took that dump to 29,000. That was freaking cool, man. I did expect it to happen soon. I didn't think it was going to happen the next day, like the next morning going to work. I didn't have my fiat prepared at all. And when I say have your fiat prepared, you want to have cash on the side when you see these major dips like this. Greatest buying opportunity you're going to see in a minute. Ghost says, I want to stay positive. I don't want to say much. Just stay above 30 and I'll be happy. The price is all in your head, Ghost. It is freaking 100% in your head, man. Don't sit there and watch your phone. Don't sit there and watch your profits just dwindle away, man. That's not good for your mental health, dude. What you need to do is have long-term conviction and trust the process, man, because crypto is not dead, man. You just FUD. And they do that to mix with your emotions, man. And that's what I'm here to do. If I could be the light in the dark for y'all right now, that is my goal. I'm out here to help people to make smart investment decisions. You know, I'm not a financial advisor and I can't tell you when to buy and sell. All I can do is try to make you feel a little bit better about your investment because, dude, if you like me, man, I'm excited these dips are happening, dude. I'm happy for these dips. And I will continue to buy more and hold, dude, because I trust in where crypto is going, man. I really do. And while I'm sitting here giving y'all a big ass speech, Doge is crap in the bed. That's funny, man. I don't mean to laugh, guys. I'm not worried, man. I'm not freaking worried. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing, man. I'm over here ranting. I'm on a rant. I mean, dude, that's crazy, dude. If you're concerned right now, I don't get it, man. Every chart's gonna look the same. Every chart's gonna look the exact same. Boom. What's XRP? Boom. Pull up another one. Litecoin. Boom. Dude, why are y'all worried? I'm buying the dip, man. That is what I'm doing. I am buying the freaking dip and I'm happy, dude. I'm a happy camper. I know some people like, this dude's freaking crazy. He's happy as dipping. Like, dude, I'm telling you, when this thing comes back, it's gonna be massive, man. It's gonna be freaking massive. It's just a saying, dude. Have your money ready. Have your money ready for a dip. No, sir. I had to put my phone away today. It's probably the best thing you can do, man. Probably the best freaking thing you can do. What are your views after a lot of new people losing money and liquidating their portfolios? I'll read the second part of your question. Let me touch on liquidating. If you got liquidated, that means you trade on margin. And dude, I'm not a margins guy. If you don't have the money to invest in this thing, you're playing on money you clearly cannot afford to lose, man. And it's just not good practice, in my opinion. You can go find somebody else that will preach margin to you, but I'm not the person, man, because I don't believe in margin, and I believe you can get screwed out of your money because you don't actually own what you're buying. You just own the rights to it, and at any moment, the bank or whoever you have your margin through can pull that play from underneath. They can pull the rug from underneath you, and that is not okay to me, man. So if you woke up one morning and Bitcoin dumped to 29,000 and you lost 50% of your Doge and they liquidated your account, you're done. You're trading. It's over with, man. So I'm not doing that, man. I will never preach. I will never advise anybody to play with margin, man. It's not good practice, not at all. So back to your second part of your question, do you think they're going to come back now to be a part of the bull cycles again? I do, man. I honestly do, and I feel bad for them because those are the same guys that sold at 32 cents, maybe sold at 30, and they're the same people that are going to buy back in when this thing is 60 cents. And it doesn't make sense, man. If it's clearly a lot of people playing on money they can't afford to lose, and it's sad, man. But you have to be smart with your investments. You can't just run away every time you see a little bit of red. You'll never become a great trader that way. You'll just be a paper-handed little girl, man. I mean, I'm not trying to be sexist or anything by any means. I'm just saying you're never going to know what it's like to be in the red and see the green, how great that feels to know that you were right about your trade and you read the charts, you did your research, and you know where this thing is going. And that is a great feeling when you're an investor. And currently, while I'm talking, 32.70, not worried. It hits to 30. I'll buy some more, and I'll keep rocking, man. See, Snowman, he's saying it, man. The 2017 people are back. And yes, they are back, man. And they're getting burned again. They haven't learned their freaking lesson, man. They haven't learned their lesson. And guys, I'm gonna be streaming for a little bit tonight because, dude, we are starting to get some real red moving into this thing, and I want to see where this ends up landing at. But now is not the time to panic, guys. Now is not the freaking time to panic at all. Like I said yesterday, this is like Christmas right now. It's Black Friday. It's your birthday. You're right, brother. You are absolutely 100% correct, dude. And I'm going to continue adding on to my position right now, man, because crypto is coming back. I can't say it enough, dude. I'll say it 50 times tonight in the chat, probably. And I got to get some more water because I'm tired of saying it already. But give me a few seconds, guys. I'm going to go get some water, reload, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I had to get some more hydration in me, man. Have a little bounce too right here. I'm loving it, man. I am freaking digging it. Let me hop back on Twitter and continue searching through the wormhole and see what was going on. Not what I wanted. Let's see what's happening on this dude's page. Not too much. Joe Rogan, stand-up comic. Nah. Nothing. Completely quiet. That's pretty cool. Star base. Let me hop back on the chart. See what's going on with Bitcoin, man. Same thing, dude. All these cryptos are just gonna follow the exact same crap that's going on, man. Hop back in the chat. What's up, Flip Nasty? How you doing, brother? I'm down so much right now on Ethereum, Ethereum Lite, BTC, Doge, but I'm buying more. That is the way, my brother. That is the freaking way, dude. I'm doing the exact same thing, man. While everybody's flipping out, freaking out, dude, I'm sitting here loading up my position because when this thing starts to head back up, dude, I'm gonna be sitting freaking nice, man. Freaking nice. That's it, man. If you can buy them dips, if you can buy the dips, don't ever put yourself in a bad position, though, man. Don't ever do it, man. It's not worth it. Like I said, if you're new to investing, you don't have a lot of capital to work with. See ways you can cut back, man. Add 5, 10 extra bucks a week. Over time, over a couple years, dude, that's gonna add up, man, with all the gains you'll be getting. And I really think we're on the track for a really nice bull run coming up here shortly, man. I'm thinking sometime late June to early July, man, we're really going to start to be back to where we were 2 weeks ago, man. So we'll see if that holds true. We'll see if that comes to light, man. We'll be here rocking. Like I said, we started the YouTube channel just to help people, man. And that is my main goal. And I want to educate people. So I think moving forward, I'm going to be putting out more educational videos like dissecting ADA, what's going on in the market, how to handle it, and all that good stuff, man. I want to put out educational stuff so my viewers and everybody sub to me can actually learn what's going on. And in the Discord, man, we're going to be setting up options trading, all that good stuff, man. So you can really learn from a group of people. It's not just me. We have great guys in the Discord that are going to all come together. And when you get traders from different, corners of the earth that do different things, man, even myself can learn a ton, man, because not everybody knows everything. I don't care who you are. Not everybody can tell you every single aspect of the market. But when you have a big perspective from a lot of people that have been doing it for a long time, you can tend to learn and gather knowledge that is golden, man. It's like money can't purchase what you can learn from different people trading in the markets today. It's free knowledge, man. Who doesn't want free knowledge? Free knowledge for college, man. They don't teach this stuff in school, man. I think they should teach like stock market, chart reading, all that stuff in school. Like my kids, dude, I'm gonna have to teach them all this because I want them to invest one day. I want them to learn the market because a lot of people that work 9 to 5s, they don't have a way out of that 9 to 5. And maybe their hope is a Powerball ticket, or maybe their hope is reading the charts, finding the best buys, and buying the dips and selling the rips, man. So that's what we'll be preaching on this channel, man. Big Seth says, I'll just play Call of Duty because I have no friends, man. I'm sorry to hear that, Seth, dude. I think that dude KC plays Call of Duty. Why don't you check him out, man? Round your purchases up and small reoccurring payments Definitely whiskey. Definitely, man. Flip nasty. I know you're right, but too many people are acting on his every tweet. They are, man, and those are a lot of the people that got paper hands, dude. What people call it, and you know his tweets do move it. They do move the market, 100%. But the whales move the market, man. That Elon Musk is not causing all of this, dude. You have the whales, governments, they're all creating FUD, man, so they can buy in at a lower price and load up and make tons of money, man. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing they're doing. What's up, Eric, dude? I see you in the chat, man. It's been a while, brother, man. I hope you're still doing good. He says, yo, 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 what's good? I'm broke, baby. Aren't we all, man? I'm broke because I'm buying these freaking dips, man. Buying these freaking dips. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. I had to send out a text message real quick. That was actually my boy Seth in the chat. He was getting at me to go hop on some COD with him. I was just messing with the dude. Dude says diamond hand always, bro. I'm with you, brother. How much can Doge rise even if Elon tweets or if Tesla accepts it as payment method? Also, when Coinbase adds it, will it affect it? Uh, dude, the sky's the limit with Doge, man. Doge is not a meme at all, dude. To me, it's not. It is a real cryptocurrency with real assets to it that can be used in the future, man. I mean, dude, it's going to be accepted by major corporations, and there's major uses for it, dude. Now, to touch on Coinbase adding it, yes, man. I do believe we'll see a nice run up, possibly even to break that 74 cents we saw, depending on Bitcoin, man. But we're still about 4 weeks out, you could say, roughly. So who knows, man? But I do think Doge will run up to the Coinbase listing, and coins tend to drop right after that. So just be aware of that, man. I'm not buying or I'm not selling anything, man. To tell you the truth, I'm going to continue to hold through the Coinbase listing, and I'm holding long term, man. What would you say about Elon if it was green? Come on, people, get it. Yeah, dude. If the market was absolutely still ripping, you had Bitcoin at freaking 70,000, Ethereum at 5,000, dude. People would not be knocking Elon right now. They'd be so freaking happy. But it's just it's crazy with what the amount of FUD and bad information that's coming out about that man, and he is doing nothing but trying to help the market. I'm with you, Daniel, dude. I back that man 100%, brother. 100 freaking percent. Hold on, let me answer this text. So, guys, if y'all are worried, dude, do not be worried at all. I'll say it 50 times. Best buying opportunity you're going to see in a hot minute. And we are getting ready for a very bullish run coming up, I believe, man. So, if you're begging for a dip buy, it's right here in front of you. But, guys, that's about all I got for y'all tonight, man. I'm going to go rock in the Discord for a little bit. Chat with my subs. If you're not part of the channel, man, please hit the sub and like button for me. Join the community. I got the Discord linked in the box. Make sure you join up, dude. We're always in there talking, learning about new stuff. So make sure you join up. And as always, I appreciate everybody that tuned in to watch the whole show. And guys, I will be in the Discord, so come rock with me. So until tomorrow, man, peace out.